What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another very interesting yet important video section about constants. So in this quite short section we are going to talk about constants and the differences between constants to variables. Basically, we are also going to discuss what are constants in the first place, how they differ from variables, how to use them. And we will also talk about the syntax of creating constants in our programming language. So get yourself ready and let's start. Alright, so far we've been dealing with variables, whatever type they were, right? For example, we've been working with integers, floats, characters, and other types of variables. And one thing we can absolutely tell regarding variables is the fact that they may vary over time, right? Variables may change over time and may change even more than once during even one execution of our program. So for example, a variable of type int may have the values of 5 and then 8, and float may have the values of 7.2, 3.4, and character variable may also have other values of A and Z. So basically, that's something that we already know about variables and how they work. We've solved a lot of exercises using variables so far. And now what we are going to do is simply to be introduced with some new, let's call it, some new concept that is called constants. Basically, what constants allow us to do is to kind of create variables with some value that simply does not change over time. Its value is going simply to remain the same. It's going to remain constant. Okay, so while variables may change over time, constants simply are not. So in the next video, we are going to see how constants may be used in our programming language, and basically we will see when they may change, when they may not change. Okay, we will see, maybe not in the next video, but in the next video I'm going to show you also a couple of very important usages that may come handy to you during your lectures, during your process of development, and so on and so forth. So there is a lot of things to cover up right now. Stay tuned and let's go.